Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what is operating system. So, in order to see what operating system is, this is what our outline would be. Definition of OS, what is simple batch system, multi-programming batch system, and time-sharing systems. Now, basically, operating system is nothing but an interface between user and hardware. It's like a platform through which we can execute certain things. If there is no operating system, we cannot even interact with the machine. So it's like if I want to catch a train, we require a platform so that I can able to interact with the train, I can board the train and so on. So that is what my operating system is, very similar to it. So basically the goals of operating systems are, it is used to execute user program, that is application program, and the make solving user programs easier. Also we can conveniently use the system without any problem. So use of computer hardware in efficient manner, because hardware understands only binary language, we understands English language. So in order to have an interface between hardware as well as user, we require some component, and that component is nothing but my OS. So these are my system components, as we all know, that is hardware, application programs, user, and the most important is OS. Hardware consists of your CPU, memory, IO devices, etc. Then application programs are like any apps which we install on our machine. That could be any kind of games, any kind of database, system programs, etc. People are like you and me, which use this application program for the execution, for the interaction purpose. And operating system is the one with the help of which we can perform these tasks easier. Now this is what our abstract view of your system. You can see that computer hardware is at the central place, as hardware consists of your memory, hard disk, floppy disk, etc., which is where the signals are connected with the help of wires and cables, that is in the form of electronic transmission, analog or digital. We humans are at the last level. We interact with the system, that is computer, via application programs. So that is the reason we provide command in the form of high level language, right? So operating system will take that commands, it will process those commands in the form of zeros and ones, and then it will convert in the form of computer understandable language. So that is what the abstract view of components. So computer systems can be seen, that is operating system can be seen as a resource locator. We can manage and allocate the resources. As and when the resource is available, your system should make sure that the particular resource should be given to someone. None of your computer resource should go free. Basically kernel is the core part of your computer system, which will controls all the activities of computer system. So this is what my in general about what operating system is. So thank you for listening.